Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the option called Watch Settings, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the connectivity, and once you find it, tap on it, then scroll down, find the Wi-Fi option, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. Now scroll down, find the option called My Networks and tap on it, and here we have the list of networks our watch is not connected to, but basically has them saved, and once it's nearby, the watch will connect to it automatically. So let's say this network has the best range, or maybe not range, but signal strength. Basically, it will automatically connect to the network. If the second one had the strongest signal strength, it will connect to this one. Basically, it does it automatically. And if you want to disconnect from the network, you will need to remove it from your watch. And to do it, find the network you want to remove, tap on it, then tap on Remove option, confirm by pressing the Start button, and the watch will disconnect from that network. You can do it for the second one, of course, if you want to, like that. And once the networks are gone, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.